Online Lighting Calculator. It starts from the end of video 3. This video steps through the process for accessing and saving proposals, project reports, in Mint, and saving them back to Hancock Cloud by syncing. To complete these steps, you'll need to have a user account for the OLC and have installed the OLC's Mint application on your laptop or tablet. Having entered all the project details in the building info and items sections of Mint, we're ready to generate the project reports that summarize the project's calculated energy savings, incentives, and economics. Step 1. From the project overview screen in Mint, click on the Proposals button. Step 2. Click on Cost Savings Analysis and use the drop-down field to select a report from the list. The first 2 reports are the Summary Report and the Customer Report. These are the most commonly run reports and are nearly identical to the reports from the prior lighting calculator. Step 3. Select the Summary Report and then click the Save and Submit button in the lower left corner. The Save and Submit button will create a copy of the report displayed in the Documents area of the project and allow the copy to be transferred to Hancock Cloud during the syncing process. If Save and Submit button is not clicked, the report will not be accessible via Hancock Cloud. Step 4. Use the drop-down to select the Customer Report and then click Save and Submit. Step 5. Return to the Project Overview screen with the white arrow in the upper left corner. Step 6. If the data entry in Mint is completed, click the Mark Project as Done button in the upper right corner. Then click the Mark Project as Done in the lower right corner of the following screen to complete the process. Step 7. Return to the main project page using the arrow in the upper left corner. Click Sync in the lower right-hand corner. All project data, including the reports, will be sent to Hancock Cloud. Note, the project will disappear from the Mint homepage if it was marked as done. If you later realize you need to get the project back into Mint for edits, reschedule an assessment in Hancock Cloud, which is covered in Video 1 in the OLC User Manual. The next video will cover reviewing the project in Hancock Cloud and how to invoice submit the project for final review. If you have any questions, please contact your energy efficiency representative, visit the Online Lighting Calculator page, or email us at lighting@bpa.gov.